So if you are talking about governance in terms of political regime, in terms of authority exercise, in terms of capability of the institutions, then how do we understand by the term of good governance? If we are exercising authority, if we are making decisions, if we are formulating any policies, if we are doing all those things with greater transparency, with greater accountability, it means we are doing good governance. Any decisions, any authority which is being exercised, if it is arbitrary and if it is non-transparent, then it is not a good governance. Second criteria is accountability. If we make laws, if we make policy decisions, if we exercise authorities, then our authorities must be questioned if we are not serving the interest of the institution or the people. There must be a rule of law. Nobody is above the law. Everybody is subject to the law. Nothing can govern us except the law. To check the arbitrariness, to check the discriminatory practices, we must have reasonable laws. So the point here is to note that the good governance is all about having a fair practices. That institution must observe the principle of responsiveness. If the employee or the institution or the people or the government are not efficient, are not effective, then we are not delivering good governance. So if we are open to every kind of criticism, and criticism is to improve the efficiency of the system. So a system will be efficient only and only when it is open to criticism. If you will silence all dissenting voices, or if you silence everyone who has an opposing views, it means you are not delivering on governance front. That governance is a glass house. Anybody can see from anywhere. If the institution or the employees working with the institution or the government or the people are not ethical in their conduct, they cannot ensure good governance. So we must be able to bring ethics in our conduct. Only then we can claim and proudly claim that we are the one who observe the principle of good governance. We have everything. Are we capable of? Are we competent enough? We are able to compete with others in terms of our performance, in terms of other delivering quality contents or producing quality graduates. So competence, from where the competence comes? The competence, you are having a work environment. If you are having a wonderful work environment which is open to everyone, which supports everybody's need, take care of everybody's interest, encourages their efficiencies, incentivize the hard work, only then you can compete with the world. The world is coming out with cross-cutting edge of research and other things. There are 200 countries around us who are equally trying to promote their national interest. If we are not competent enough, we cannot excel. If an institution is not taking into consideration all the relevant factors which are necessary for competing with other institutions, then you cannot deliver quality. The world is moving far from us. They are doing a lot of things in their life. If we are not able to innovate, and that innovation will come when you carry critical thinking. When you are bringing something new, a new idea, when creative ideas, you can bring changes in the society. You will also earn reputations in your life. Imagine a social, wherever you are, imagine that what have you done in the last 5 years? What new things have you done in your life? Can those new things give you reasons to feel proud? And at the same time, always think, where do you want to see yourself after 5 years? Will we be able to compete with the world? No. We need to accommodate. We need to adjust. We need to bring changes. We need to be open to change. Only then we can deliver on the front of good governance. For efficiency, for delivery of the things, for better policy making, decision making, for innovative thinking or innovation and research, you need better financial management. From where the money will come? So as an individual, I am failing not because I lack ideas, but I lack finances. As an institution, I am failing because I don't know from where the resources will come to pay the salaries of the people who are working with you, to pay the infrastructure. There is no resources, and the government is saying, oh, you have to be, if you are autonomous, you have to generate your own resources. And generating resources is not very easy these days. So you must have backup plan. If you are having good quality research, you can have patents. You can generate resources there. You can have some quality teaching programs, course curriculum, which can attract lots of good people from the market. You can make your finances sustainable. Similarly, an institution or a country is not great. It cannot be said that it is a model of good governance if it is not respecting the human rights of the people. It also maintains diversity, the cultural diversity, social diversity, economic diversity. If an institution serving the interest of only economically rich class, it cannot be called as an inclusive institution. An institution must serve everyone.